My name is Sanchiro from Sunshine Cooking Studio. Today I would like to talk about what to do after baking a lot of bread and you would like to keep it. Okay, let's say this time we are quarantined in our house, we cannot meet anyone, so we have to eat it on our own. But you bake a lot, so let's see how to keep it today. There are 4 steps to keep the bread. They are SWSF. What are they? First S means to slice. The bread may be too large to eat in one time after you have keep it. I recommend you to slice them into the portion that you can eat each time. Go to the second step, that is wrap. Use the plastic wrap to wrap the bread thoroughly so they won't lose their humidity. And then after you wrap it, you put into the ziplock. This is another S, that is seal. Seal it. Try to tighten the back so that the air won't go inside. Lastly is the F, that is freeze. When you freeze it, it can keep the bread humidity and the bread texture and can prevent from molding too. So you can keep your bread 1 month at most, and you can eat little by little in the portion that you have divided already. I hope this tip would be useful for every bread bakers, so you can keep your beloved bread and enjoy your delicious bread. And if you have any comments or any tips, please share below in the comments. I will be appreciated if you can share your tips too. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe it, and see you in the next video. So they won't lose their humidity so you can keep the bread for like 1 month at least.